This is our betelnut farm. You see here so many betelnut plants you will get, and some are already blooming, and 1 year back we have planted these betelnut trees. You see here lots of betelnut trees. So many betelnut trees you will get to see here. Especially we have planted here more than 500 betelnut trees, but some are already very nicely developed. Wow. And this betelnut farm are surrounded by the bamboo fencing. See, the bamboo fencing is mainly using for the protective. Wow, you see colorful betelnut trees. Wow, very well developed. If you want to see this betelnut farm, then come and see, and I will guide you how to plant betelnut trees and how you should hear about the betelnut trees. Wow, you see here some betelnut trees are almost give fruit, and I hope these betelnut trees will be give fruit as within 1 or 2 years later. And we have planted these betelnut trees 3 years back. Still, I hope this betelnut tree will give us very fruitful, and these betelnut trees are very well developed. Wow, what a beautiful betelnut garden. You look, guys. Wow, very well developed. Wow, this is our betelnut farm, and I have planted betelnut trees here more than 500 pieces, and 6 months back we have planted here so many betelnut trees, but the betelnut trees are dying, and some are very well developed, and especially we have planted here more than 400 pieces betelnut trees, but some water crisis, the betelnut trees are dying. This is the pumpkin leaves. Still the pumpkin does not give flowers, and I hope within 1 month pumpkins leaves will be blooming very well. And this pumpkin farm is nicely maintained by our family membership, and this fencing is made by the net, and bamboo. You look here. Some betelnut trees are very well developed and some are dying. You can see here so many betelnut plants. Wow. I hope these betelnut plants will be developed very well. You see here also you will get to see the pumpkin leaves. Wow. See these lines. Betelnut trees are very well developed. Wow. This is our betelnut farm. Anyway guys,